How to open snaps on Snapchat web. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually open up snaps on Snapchat web. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to open snaps on Snapchat web, let me show you what the issue is. If I go to web.snapchat.com, I log into my Snapchat account, I can just talk to some people over here, but I cannot actually really open the snap because it says open the mobile app to view it. So as you can see, no matter how many times I try it, it will not let me go ahead and simply open this Snapchat snaps over here because it says me to open the mobile app. So obviously we don't have our mobile with us, so instead what we can do is we can download an Android emulator. So basically you have to download this application on your computer, which is Bluestacks, right? This is an Android emulator that will help you run Android apps on your PC. I'll make sure to drop a link below on how you can download it. Once you download it over here, just go ahead, install it, open it up, and then sign into your Google account, and then you will see an interface like this, right? So basically over here you will find the option called Open Google Play. Just click on Open Google Play over here, and it will actually load up Google Play Store for us. Since this is an Android emulator, you also need to have your Google account with you and then sign into your Play Store account. So basically you can see the Google Play Store has successfully loaded up. Now what I will do is in the search box, you just want to go ahead and then actually type in Snapchat over here. So basically now once you type in Snapchat, you can see Snapchat app. Just click on the install button, and once you click on install on the Snapchat app over here, now you can go ahead and simply open the Snapchat application. Now once you open the Snapchat app over here, you should be able to view and log into your account just like on mobile, and then you should also be able to view all the snaps that your friend has sent you. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then view Snapchat snaps on mobile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.